Hey, what's up, everybody? A quick tutorial on the oil change. Let's see, can we do this? I ain't gonna take long. Just a few minutes of your time of the day, and we're gonna have a good little time. And I'm gonna show you how you can change your oil in 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. Oh, and by the way, I'm OT. Other half of Smash Bros Radio. Okay, now you got tools. You got different wrenches. You got different oil pan plugs. You got different oil filters. Different size oil filters. You got different. You're right. That's it. You're gonna need your gloves, safety glasses, and your oil filter wrench. And if you don't have an oil filter wrench, use the big, old, reliable pliers. Now, this is your drain pan to catch oil in. This right here is your sleeve. If you have to go inside where oil filter is, it's very hot. You put this on your arm and it will help take care of you getting burnt. It's dirty, but it gets the job done. Alright, that is my 3-ton floor jack. You need that if you can't get up under the vehicle. Just jack it up. No problem at all. Okay. Now let's go over here. That's the oil plug. Like I said, all oil plugs mostly are different size. See my oil filter. Everything pretty much easy to get to. I really don't need a floor jack. That's only if you have a hard time getting to it. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. I'm draining my plug. See, a little oil came out. Remember, oil filter, pretty easy to get off. If you don't tighten your oil filter up real tight from the last oil filter, most of the time you don't need no tools. You can just twist it out with your hand. Get you some good gloves with the grips on it. No problem. How easy it is. Alright, now let's put some oil in the car. Make sure you look for the oil cap that's got oil symbol, 5/30, 10/30, whatever your oil car takes. Your dipstick gonna be yellow. Thank you.